Alright y'all, first thing we're gonna do to start this maintenance off is get this hair together. I'm about to take out, this current style. It was a 3-part ponytail, but as you can see, I'm ready to take it out. So as y'all saw the clips, if y'all want a tutorial on how I did the 3-part curly ponytail, comment down below. As y'all can see, I have my bath towel and my hair towel ready. So I'm going to do my pre-poo process, and I'm gonna pre-section the twist in my hair. So it'll be a little time lapse showing y'all how I achieve it.
Really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. I really like what you done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you done to me. What I really like what you really like what you done to me. What I really like what
Alright, I'm back. So now y'all saw the process of how I put my pre-poo on and pre-section twist my hair to make it easier to wash. So if you want a video of how I make my pre-poo mixture, just comment down below. So now I'm going to spray, which I need to re-up, my apple cider vinegar rinse. I always put it on before I shampoo or deep condition or do whatever to my hair. I always have my apple cider vinegar rinse. As you can see, your girl needs some more. So let's spray it. See, I always try to get, I don't really be trying to get my hair. I really try to get into my scalp and my roots. So I have to see if I have more because this ain't cutting it. Let's see. I don't know if I have it here. I don't think so. I think it's time to re-up. I actually need to learn how to just make the rinse myself because I have apple cider vinegar. And I'm really trying to get into, like, that's what made me make my own pre-poo, because I'm not trying to buy these pre-poo from the market, because when you really look at the ingredients in there, a lot of that stuff should not be in your hair. Like, my pre-poo is all natural. It's literally just the aloe, coconut water, and oils that you need for hair growth. Like, there's no gum stuff. Like, that should not be in your hair. Like, what? So, I'm gonna make sure ain't no vinegar running down the back of my neck. So yeah, I really focus on like my roots and the scalp, and I try to like rub it in. You're not supposed to keep it in your hair for long, so this is why I put it on right before I get in the shower and wash out my pre-poo, and apply my shampoo. Sometimes I actually get in the shower, put my shampoo on. Like, this little hair just keeps sticking on. I'll put my shampoo on and then I'll wash. It's just hair everywhere. Let me actually show y'all my shampoo. So this is the shampoo I'm using. It is As I Am, the Jamaican black castor oil line. I love As I Am, their shampoos, their conditioners. It's not sponsored. Just wanted to show y'all what I use. And then I go in with this handy dandy tool. I scrub that scalp real good all around, and then I'll rinse out the pre-poo, the vinegar rinse, and the shampoo. Then I will either condition, co-wash, deep condition. I think this time I'm gonna co-wash and deep condition. I washed my hair last week before I put the ponytail in, so now I'm gonna do the same thing again. It's like I just do it every time. It keeps the hair thick, healthy, long, all of the things. So I will be back, when it is time to blow dry this hair, because the style that I intend to do, as you saw in the title, I need to blow dry and flat iron my hair, depending on time, because I have to do a rehearsal at 6 I'm basically getting ready for my god sister's party tomorrow. Today is June 2nd, her party is June 3rd. So I choreographed a little dance for her party that she asked me to do. And I have to do one last run through rehearsal today. We have to do another rehearsal at the hall tomorrow because they wouldn't let us go there today. So I may only be able to blow dry my hair because then I have to do these nails. And I will be showing you guys 2 DIY press-on style. And after I blow dry, I do my nails. And when I get back home after the practice, then I'm gonna flat iron my hair. So I'll be back. All right, hey y'all, so I'm back. And I just got back from rehearsal. As you can see, I didn't get to blow dry my hair. I was looking crazy, but it's okay, because we about to transform. So I'm gonna give you a couple of time lapses. Well, it's probably gonna be one big time lapse, but I'm about to blow dry my hair. Attempt to flat iron it because it's 12:30. I don't think I'm gonna get done tonight, but I'll update y'all after my hair is blow dried. If not, y'all get an update in the morning. I'll be back.
Even when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I should really lead our hand in. If you be the catch, I'll be the rubber band. You be a match, I will be a fuse. Be no baby, you could be the muse. I'm not a part of baby, you could be the news. Cause you're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're a joker, checked off. You wanna choke, I could be the black, you can be the talk, and I can be the one. Even when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I put your pretty little hand in mine. Even when we're down to the wire, babe, even when it's do or die, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. Cause this love is a sure thing.
I know that you're drunk. Yeah. Tell me what you want after this club. You know you're nasty. Don't go right in my house, you call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and I'm sliding.
Breaking beauty news. Manna Kadar's Miracle Balm keeps my skin glowing. Lip Bliss hydrates my lips, and the Remedy adds the perfect glossy tint. Check it out at mannakadarcosmetics.com/MomoNicoleUGC and get party ready with me. Link will also be below.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all saw, I finally finished blow drying my hair. It's now 2:09 in the morning. I still ain't do my nails. Still ain't flat iron my hair. But I think what I'm gonna do, think I'm gonna do my nails and get some sleep. Cause I have a lot to do tomorrow and I don't wanna be looking like what I'm feeling like, which is tired. I don't feel tired right now, but I don't wanna look like I'm tired tomorrow. Well, later on today, if that makes sense. Even though I'm getting my makeup done, you know, I'm gonna be a bitch tomorrow, bro. Later on today, y'all know what I mean. So, but let's get into the growth because, y'all, I could never, look at that, could never get my hair, let alone my curls. My curls are now down my back. I always wanted that. So, I am happy with the progress on my hair. I'm gonna pray it keeps growing thick and healthy and long. But I think I'm gonna wash my hands and just get ready to show y'all how my hair will look so cute when I have a half down. I mean, I am doing a half up, half down, but not my natural hair with my tape ends. So yeah, let me get ready to prep these nails, and depending on how long I take to do them will depend if I start flat ironing my hair tonight. 9 times out of 10 it's giving no, because I need to put my child to bed. So he took a little nap earlier, so that's why he's not sleeping. But if I act like I'm going to sleep, he'll go to sleep. That's kids for you. Y'all can tell I'm in love. Oh, it definitely grew. Definitely. I think the key to my hair getting longer is I stopped blow drying it as much as I used to. Like, I used to blow dry it a lot, and I was like, I feel like my hair is thinning out because my ponytail was never this thick. Like this. This is all the ponytail right here. It was never this thick. It always gave thin. So I think after this style, I'm gonna go back to doing natural styles. Like the ponytail I had, I didn't blow dry my hair. That was only my hair after it was washed. So I'm gonna go back to that. I'm loving the progress. So yeah, let's get to these nails. I'll be back.
Really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I am so into you. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. What I really like what you've really like what you've done to me. What I really like what you've really like what you've done to me. What I really like what you've really like what you've done to me. What I really like what you've really like what you've done to me.
Let's get party ready with Stratia. Step 1, velvet cleansing milk that'll cleanse and refresh your skin. Step 2, Lipid Gold deeply hydrates your skin. And step 3, night shift. It renews with gentle retinol. Shop now at stratiaskin.com/onemomonicole.
That's the end of that chapter.
That's all, folks.
Wonder why now. Yeah, 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 yeah.